And today we're going to draw Stitch.
Yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun. We're going to draw a Squishmallow version of Stitch. So we're just going to draw a really big shape, an oval shape. We hope you're going to follow along with us. You need your drawing supplies. We're using, what are these called?
Markers.
Yeah, markers, but you can use whatever you have. All right, you ready to start?
Yeah.
Let's first draw Stitch's nose. We're going to draw an upside down U shape. Well, it looks like a half circle. Yes, there you go. You got it. And then we're going to draw the bottom, and we're going to kind of draw it coming down and then up. It looks like a letter V, but not with a sharp corner at the bottom. Nice job. And then we can also draw little nostrils in here. We're going to add maybe some other details to make it even more look like Stitch. Yes, and we could color those in black. Next, let's draw the eyes. We're going to draw a circle over here on the left and the same size circle over here on the right. Ooh, we're drawing our Squishmallow really big. We're going to run out of room for the ears. You're doing great. Good job. And then we could also draw a little highlight up here to make the eyes shiny. But on Squishmallows, they're just made out of fabric, so they don't really shine. Yeah. But I thought this would be fun. Then we can color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. That part we sped up, so remember to pause the video if you need extra time. We could also make it look a little more like Stitch by adding a little corner down here in the bottom left of this eye and bottom right of this eye. That kind of makes it look like his eyes are raindrop shapes. Now we're ready to draw his body. We're going to draw the top of his head first. We'll start right close to this eye, and we're going to draw an upside down U. Oh, I like that you're doing guide points. You could start over here. Since you're left-handed, I love that you do opposite. Oh, yes, it's huge. You're going to fill up the whole paper, and we're not going to have too much room for ears, but that's...
Oh, no!
We're not going to have... We're going to have to really squeeze those ears in there. It's going to be okay. We'll make it work. Okay, now let's draw the bottom of Stitch's body, and we're going to draw it coming down, and then I'm also drawing it kind of flat at the bottom. So it looks like our Squishmallow is sitting on the ground. Oh, I like that you added guide points down there too. Oh, I love how big you're drawing yours. That's awesome. Good job. Let's add the ears next. We're going to start right here and we're going to draw an upside down raindrop shape. But we're going to start here and first let's draw an S curve. So, and then up at the top, I'm going to start curving back down. So start right here and then draw it coming out and then back this way. And then right at the top, you can start curving down. Yeah. And then right here, let's draw a little bite mark or a little rip in the ear. And then we're going to come down further and then back into where we started. Yes. You did it. That was challenging and you did awesome. And then we're going to draw right here, we're going to draw the ear coming down again. So we can start right here and then draw a line connecting in. And then let's do the same thing on this side. Yeah. Okay, let's repeat the same step over here, but we're going to draw it we're going to draw this little tear in a different spot. So we're going to draw the same point and we're going to come up and we're going to draw an S curve and we want to come up to the same height and then we're going to start coming back down. Yeah, keep going. There you go. And then we're going to keep coming down further. And then down here at the bottom, we're going to add the little tear. And then we'll connect into where we started. You did it. Good job. And then let's add those same extra lines. We're going to draw them curving into the head right here and also on the bottom side. Now it really looks like Stitch. And I love your drawing, especially because it looks different than mine. They're both turning out awesome, and it's okay that they look different because the most important thing is
to have fun and practice.
Yeah, have fun and practice. It's okay if your drawings look different too. Okay, should we keep going?
Yeah.
Let's next draw a line that comes up. We're going to draw the little patches that go around his eyes, and then we're going to come back down, and I'll stop there. So this big upside down U shape.
Giant eyebrows.
Giant eyebrows. And then right here, we're going to curve in to a point. Yes. And then up here, let's give him a little bigger eyebrow on the top. We're just going to make it thicker right here.
Eyebrows.
Eyebrows, yeah. You could, yeah, there you go. And then color it in. And then we're going to draw that same upside down U over here for the other eye. And then we'll curve in to a point in the middle. And then I'm going to draw that thicker eyebrow on the top. And then you can color that one in. Yeah.
I like how we're saying that.
Eyebrow. And then let's also give him a belly line. And that's his
Big one.
Yeah, that's really big. It kind of looks like his mouth, but we could also add his mouth right here. Let's draw a line that goes across, and then right at the end, you could draw it curving up so that it looks like he's smiling. Yeah, so we just give him a nice big smile. That's awesome, Olivia. We did it. We finished drawing our little Stitch, except we're not completely done.
We still need to color it.
Yeah, this part will fast forward, but at the end, you can pause the video if you want to match our coloring. You ready to speed things up?
Yeah.
Olivia, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our Stitches and they turned out awesome. I love how big you drew yours. You filled up all the paper and you colored it solid. That took a little while, but you did awesome.
Thank you. I like yours too.
Thanks. You guys can pause the video to match our same coloring. Oh, I also changed a few things. I made the mouth even bigger because in the cartoon, his mouth goes all the way to the edge of his eyes. And then I also added 2 wrinkles above his nose and some hair up here at the top.
Oh,
Little
I
fur.
want to add that.
Do you want to add it?
Yes.
I think that little extra detail completes your drawing. Did you have fun?
Yes.
And we hope you had a lot of fun following along with us, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.